All right. Hi, my name is Jason Parrish. I'm with Lenovo, and I'm here at CES showing you the all-new Thinkpad X1 Hybrid. The X1 Hybrid is a product we just announced. It's based on the chassis and the design of the Thinkpad X1, which has been shipping since the summer of 2011. Some of the great things about the Thinkpad X1 that are still in the X1 Hybrid are full standard volt Core i processors from Intel and a Gorilla Glass protected display, rapid charge batteries, a lot of great innovations. When we talk about innovations for mobile professionals and mobile doers, the Thinkpad X1 Hybrid takes it to a new level. You see here on the screen a launcher that says Instant Media Mode. What is Instant Media Mode? Instant Media Mode is a way to double your battery life doing some core functions like browsing the web, email, videos, or music. So what I'm going to show you here is a transition from Windows to Instant Media Mode, and then I'll describe to you more about how it works. So I'm going to launch Instant Media Mode in about a second and a half. I'm in our Linux-based operating system that's customized by Lenovo, and again you can see these core functions. So what we're doing underneath the covers is we're actually putting Windows to sleep. The whole system, the Intel processor, everything on the motherboard is asleep, and we're actually running on a small chip, a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, its own memory, its own storage. So we're doubling the battery life by putting the main system to sleep and running a very energy efficient processor, much like a hybrid car, which is why we call it X1 Hybrid. Now I'm going to demonstrate for you how one of the core functions, again, being able to watch videos. So I'm going to movies here, resume play from the previous demonstration, and you see 720p video playback here in Instant Media Mode. So I'm going to exit out of that, go back to our home. So you can see it's a very smooth, slick interface to do some of those core functions. You can imagine someone sitting on an airplane, for example, want to get the most out of their battery life, and all they're really doing is sitting back and relaxing and consuming some of their content. I'm going to take you back to Windows. Again, the transition will be under 2 seconds. So it's confirming that I want to change modes. And in about 2 seconds, Windows is back awake and kicking. So a really fast demo, a really fast transition. If you think about other products that have shipped with 2 operating systems, typically they make you choose on boot which operating system you want to use. But when we talk to our users, we know that they don't like to shut down Windows. People like to leave their Windows environment up. I know for myself, I only reboot every maybe 1 to 2 months. So I'm going to show you one more thing. So the Instant Media Mode system actually has its own storage, because again the whole system goes, whole Windows-based PC goes to sleep, including the SSD or hard drive. So I'm going to launch my shared space, and you see I have folders for music and movies, and that's where I would drag my Windows-based content onto the Instant Media Mode space. A few other things I'll show you about the X1 Hybrid, in case you're not aware of it. The X1 has backlit keyboard, still has that, retains that feature. Has Dolby Home Theater version 4 audio, so a really nice premium audio sound. From an I/O perspective, we have USB. We actually have 3 USB ports, including USB 3. We support eSATA, mini DisplayPort, and HDMI, Ethernet, and SD card. So really a full function, rich performance PC, very thin and light, very high performance. So that's just a quick walkthrough of the Thinkpad X1 Hybrid. It will be available in the second quarter of 2012. Starting price is expected to be around $15.99.